Where is E sharp? Here it is. Thanks for watching. What's your favorite octave to play E sharp in? Let us know in the comments. We bring you great music videos.
Matt, you actually have to explain why.
Oh, why? Oh, why? Yes. Why is that E sharp? Okay, back it up. Let's talk about enharmonics. E sharp can be a bit confusing to new pianists because so many of us are used to thinking about the sharps and flats as just black keys. Yes, it's true that black keys are always named using the word sharp or flat. However, anything can be sharped or flatted. That means there are some white notes that can be named using sharps and flats. Adding a sharp to a note raises it by 1/2 step, which means in some areas of the keyboard you'd simply move to the adjacent white note. This is true of E sharp, which is also called F, and B sharp, which is also called C. Same rule goes for flats, which would make F flat another name for E, and C flat another name for B. Is there a term for notes with two names? Yes, these are called enharmonics. While E sharp and F are certainly enharmonics, there are other examples that are easier to understand. For example, this note has two names, F sharp and G flat. How is this useful? Enharmonics can be useful when we are trying to see patterns in music. Take a look at this. If we only called this note G flat, a D major pentascale looks pretty strange. If we were trying to read this music, it would be harder to tell that these notes all step up. We also have to add a natural to the G after the G flat, giving us an extra step when reading this music. Ah, that looks better. However, if we could only call this note F sharp, our D flat major pentascale would look a bit confusing. In this case, calling the note G flat makes the passage much easier to read. Having both names gives people that are writing music more options when deciding what note names make a passage of music easier to understand. But E sharp is weird. Just call it F. In most cases, calling the note F is the best option. However, there are times that calling the note E sharp could make something easier to understand, or at least make the music a bit cleaner. Here, writing F makes the music look a bit odd. At first glance, you might think this scale has a skip and a repeated note in it. Upon further investigation, we see that we have to write extra symbols in order to create the F natural, and then resharp it. This is just one instance of E sharp being used to clean up the notated music. Once you get over the unfamiliarity of reading sharp or flat white notes, they can be quite useful. Hey, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so that we know you want to see more topics like this. We've got a whole team of music teachers answering questions and bringing you awesome lessons and tutorials every week. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video. And if you're looking for a complete piano education, click the link to visit hoffmanacademy.com. See you next time.